this really cool 3D house. So let's get started. First, we're going to take these pieces. Like, here, you can take this one. Okay, and I'll take this one. Then we have to attach these. So now we have done this. You needed to attach the pieces to make a rectangular cube thingy. So the next thing to do is to make the house in a tree house. You have to attach the base next. So you're going to take this part, these little bumps right here, and you're going to attach them. Hey, do you mind holding these? I don't mind. So now we attached the tree to the base. So we're going to make the tree house. First, we will just slip in these holes. You might have to press them a little bit to make them. So we already did the treehouse decorations, made the house, the tree, the vines, leaves, flowers, and the tire right over there. So now we're going to do the animals and the ladder. So I'm going to be doing the giraffe. And I will take these like this, and then this one in the hole so it will slip in and it will make a stand like this. And right now, I think I'm doing this because the stand also has a little wood decoration. This goes on top of this right here. This one will go right here in the back since it's a big animal. This one will go here, stand right here. And you can cut them evenly if you don't have them like this, but try to be good with your measurements. That's there. There. I'm going to put this elephant here. I think it'll look good in the back because the big animals, they'll be seen in the back. Okay, and then now we'll add the ladder. Right here. I didn't put up the fire. Can I move the fire actually a little? Okay. There we go. Now, this is our complete treehouse. I hope you guys like this video, and this was a very fun and awesome craft. This was definitely one of my favorites. Thanks for watching. I love this craft too. It was an amazing craft. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Bye!